He makes a lot of men. But in this generation, they don't want to be men. Amazon का promotion सिनेमा से उठा के सिनेमा में डाला है.
Please tell us, with Angry Young Men, what can audiences expect?
I think the audiences on this specific one, apart from all the great things that we've heard, is fantastic storytelling, right? Like, and it's the story behind the story. You know, these are iconic writers who've created iconic characters and iconic films. And I personally see a lot of new films today, and you can tell that there is, you know, a little bit of Salim Javed in every film. You know, whether it's a character, it's a story. So there is a lot that you're going to see, and then there is, you know, some trivia that I can't really talk about. But yeah, it's something that we're very, very excited about.
Talk about it. Talk about it.
But yes, there is a lot to be seen. 3 episodes, power-packed, 240 countries, and 20th August. That's all I want to say for now.
Amazon का promotion. You know, one thing I've worked with a lot of writers, and so has Farhan, with a lot of writers, they write. Salim Javed thought. They put their life's experiences, what they've learned from people around, what they've seen, what their parents have taught them, what their children, you know, have, you know, the way they've grown up. So they've taken from life and they put it on cinema. The rest of the writers, सिनेमा से उठा के सिनेमा में डाला है. God makes men. They don't want to be men anymore. He makes a lot of men. But in this generation, they don't want to be men. These two here, my father and Javed Sahab, they're men, they're still men because they want to be men.